up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got another sweet Mustang up for you here today. This one is a 4-speed manual transmission. We're going to go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before it shows up at your doorstep. Before we go through the walkthrough, if you can do me a favor, hit that subscribe button right now. Go ahead and pause it, hit the subscribe button if you want to see all of our new inventory in every single day. We get all new classic cars, and also you can stay up with the pricing of the current market. We sell affordable driver quality cars. We don't sell show cars. We sell nice, solid cars ready for a new owner that can get in and drive it. We're going to go ahead and get started. 1966 Mustang. It's got a 289 V8, but it has had some work done to it. It's built up to about a 302. Yeah, beautiful aftermarket wheels. Got a 4-speed manual transmission. Runs and drives very well, but it does have some flaws on the body, which we will go over. We'll start with this fender here. We got some scratching right over here. Nice scratch there as well. Nice racing wheels here. Tires, I would say, are probably like a 7 out of 10. They look newer, but they got a little bit of wear on the front. Maybe 7.5 out of 10. This door has some flaws here. It looks like there was a molding here. It's got some, like, I guess, tape or adhesive. As you can see, looks like a little bit of overspray or something. You got a little bit of rust starting right there forming. A little bit of dirt right there. A little bubbling right there. Back wheels are almost brand new. A little bit of bubbling right there. A little bit right there. Looks like the paint came apart here and it was filled in, or this was Bondo. Looks like it was sprayed, as you can see. Bumper's in decent shape. Got a little ding right there. The rest of the trunk seems to be in okay shape. If you're wondering about the price, we put all of our pricing in the description and in the title. It'll say sold if it's sold. Mark there, a little bit of rust bubble starting there and there. Little chips here. This is the worst part of the car right here. And why I'm down here, I'm going to show you the undercarriage. It looks like the undercarriage was replaced. It looks like the floors were done. At least the front floors. The back floors weren't done right here. Looks like they brought this newer floor and used the older floor and kind of combined it, which is not terrible, but it's okay if you're just getting in and going, but it's not going to win any shows. It's rough for shows or anything like that, but for driving and enjoying, it's nice. This fender's in pretty good condition. Again, that adhesive is on it right there. And this thing does rip. I'll start it up for you. It sounds good. Clutch feels good. You got LED lights on both sides. This is coming off a little bit, so this has got to be refixed. It looks like it cracked here. Either put a new one on or fix it. And that brings us back to this side. Look on this side of the undercarriage. Again, same thing. Floor was done, and then it was put in right here where this wasn't done. It was a father and son project. Story goes, this I guess the son got into an accident or a sickness, and the father said the son was not able to continue the project, and they sold it to us. To make this car real nice, I would finish doing paint on it. Starts right up. Guys, she rips. Sounds good. It's just a great driver quality. It's a cheap V8, 4-speed, perfect project for somebody. Already got the braking conversion done to it. It's not a perfect car by any means, but it's a solid price for what it is. Give me a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com, 215-801-9493. It's ready for a new home. See if the signals work. Right turn signal works. Left turn signal works. Let's see if these HIDs are working. Oh wow, those are nice. Lights work. Horn works. Wipers work. Not bad, guys. Up for sale now. Give us a call. Appreciate you guys. Anybody's interested, I will work out a nice deal for you. Thank you and have a beautiful, wonderful day. Stay tuned for the next classic car here at Bob Evans Classics.